Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Maverick from Top Gun. So without any further ado, let's get into this. The first minifigure that you're going to need is this LEGO Resistance A-Wing pilot, and you're going to want the legs and the torso. For the face, I used this Ethan Hunt minifigure, and this is because it's actually based on Tom Cruise, so it's about as close as you can get to his likeness. Finally, I used the hair from this Poe Dameron. I also used the hands, but you don't have to use them if you don't want to. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building your minifigure. Overall, I think this minifigure turned out okay. I might be a bit late to making this video, but nevertheless, I hope you like it. If you have any requests for any minifigures you would like to see in the future, feel free to leave a request down in the comments below. Each request I do will get a shout out if you ask. I implore you to subscribe if you're not already, because then that just means I'm more motivated to make you some more tutorials. If you're interested in watching some more Purist custom tutorials, feel free to click on the end screen links now.